If you are planning for your wedding, this video is going to help you on the guidelines and steps that you need to take. So this is the new updated process for civil wedding.
Step into the light where wisdom takes the stage. Let your spirit grow. Unveiling that is true. There's so much to know.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm just going to be talking about the processes when it comes to court wedding for people that need this information. So this is the new updated process for civil wedding. So the process is actually online now, so you don't need to go there physically to do any physical paperwork. You just go to their website, which I'm going to be putting on the screen. So you go there to register, and your registration has to be 21 days before your proposed date of wedding, which is very, very important. So the first thing first is to go to their website, you register, you put in your information. I think the documents you need is your birth certificate, your NIN, and then your certificate of spinsterhood and bachelorhood, which is for your spouse, for the man and the woman. So and you can get the certificate of spinsterhood and bachelorhood in the court of law. So it's more like an affidavit that will be, written for you that you are a spinster and you are a bachelor. So that is that about that. After registering, you need to make a payment. So we paid 78,000. Yes, the 78,000. So the portal for payment is also on the link. So you make your payments. After you make your payments, then you can proceed to wait for your approval. So after payment, a mail will be sent to you. Okay, your payment is successful, and thereafter, after I think 1 or 2 days, your application is going to be reviewed to verify your name, your date of birth, if everything corresponds with the document that was uploaded, and then the information you filled on the form, which is the online form. So after the verification, then your application is going to be approved. If everything is fine, if it is not fine, it's going to be denied and all that. So after that, so what I did was to take the approval form, document it. So I went there, they checked through the file, so they confirmed that everything is approved. So the week of your wedding, you are supposed to go there. Like ours was on Thursday, so we went on Tuesday. So the Tuesday is for counseling. We presented in the red marriage registry, and then we were counseled by a marriage counselor. So we're informed on what and what to bring for the wedding, what we're supposed to do when we present, which I'm going to also be listing. So we were told all this information, and thereafter they were encouraged on how to act and behave in the family, how to be disciplined, how to act as a woman and as a man, just to make our union work and make it successful. So this was what we were told on Tuesday, which was the day of the counseling. So on Thursday, which was the morning of the wedding, woke up as early as possible because you need to be there early because it's first come, first half. And also you need to be very, very attentive. You need to be very, very attentive. And then they deal with numbers. So when you get there, when we got there, we were asked to document, to write our name. So my husband wrote his name, and then we took note of our number. So that was the number we were used, that we were addressed with. So we were addressed with that number all through the process. So assuming we're giving number, we got there, we're number 46. So we are number 46. So anything number 46, we are presenting. So after taking the number, so we'll be called in one after the other for documentation. So we were called, and then we went in. We were asked to fill some documents and all that, ensure the document was properly filled and all the information was correct. Your name, your date of birth, your address, your parents' name, your father's name, and then um occupation, if your father is still alive, and all that. So those were the information we filled, then we signed, and then after that is the documentation process. So after that, we now proceeded to wait for our turn, where we will be joined together. So after we waited for some time, then they eventually called our number. So we went into the hall where the marriage was going to be conducted. My family came in. I came with my friends. My friend Ajoke was around, my sister, and my parents were also there. And then my husband, brother, was also around as witness for the union. So they did all the swearing in. I take his body, I honor him, all those things. So we took the oaths, and then we exchanged rings and all that, and then we were asked to kiss in front of our parents. Then we handed over our certificate. They said the certificate should be in the custody of the woman and all that. So that is how everything went. And after that, we went to take pictures. So there is like a licensed photography company that partner with the marriage registry, which is for Studio 24. So you're entitled to 6 pictures. This is factor in with your registration fee when you're applying for the wedding. So Studio 24 are taking pictures of some specific events that is happening inside the hall where the marriage is being conducted. So after we went to the Studio 24, we picked the pictures, the 6 pictures that we wanted. And also we took pictures outside, which we are going to pay for. And one thing that I observed during all the whole process is that everything there's always means in which money is leaving your pocket. Like for the marriage certificate case, money, everything just money, 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 money. Even when the marriage was conducted, money. When we went for documentation, money. Everything just money, money, money. Like money was just leaving our hands. And I'm like, okay, okay, this is not what I budgeted for. This is not what I planned for. But here, here we are. We are spending money that we didn't plan for. Another thing I observe is that an external photographer is not allowed to come to the premises. So it's either you have to use the photographer in the premises when you want like additional pictures. So that was one thing I observed. So everything went well. It was okay. I was happy. Yes, I did my makeup. When I got, I did my makeup from home, by the way. So when I got there, I already last with all those makeup artists there. So she did my makeup for me. I didn't really like the makeup she did because my face was looking like different color and all that. But we're able to maneuver it, and it came out this way. I don't know if the makeup is looking nice still, but I don't like the brows. The brows are just so big, making my face like I don't know, just a little bit dramatic. But anyways, I just had to like accept it that way because it's just a few minutes stuff and all that. And that was how everything went. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, kindly click the like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the post notifications so you can be notified whenever we post or I post a new video. And do share with somebody that needs this information. Until next time, as I do always say, keep trusting, keep believing. God is going to come true for you. I will see you in my next video, and bye for now.